afternoon everyone. My name is Aradhanan Baheti and I am from class 8 standard from the school RK Public School Junior College of Science and Commerce. Today I am speaking about the current situation of Hyderabad. 734 species of plants, 220 species of birds is being destroyed. I request to the government of Telangana, please don't cut the forest. Please save the forest, save the animals, because they are our future. In our school, we have a bird sanctuary in which we give food, water to the birds. In our school, on the birthdays of the students, they don't bring sweets or some gifts. They bring food to the birds and plants to grow in our campus. I request to the government of the Telangana to save the forest, don't cut the trees, and from my all the school friends, I request you to save the forest, save the animals. Thank you.